So yesterday we talked about backwards mean. What does that entail? It means that you will be given the average. Okay. So Sven mows lawns to earn extra money. He charged different amounts based on the size and difficulty of the lawn. How much must Sven charge on the next job, right? How much on the next job to earn a mean of $25 per lawn? And he's already charged this much. The very simple way of doing this one is knowing that mean is sum divided by number of values. Okay, that's basically, in a nutshell, what the mean is. So the average is given to me, it's 25. So you plot that in. I used the red pen yesterday just to emphasize. So it's 25 is equal to, what is the sum in this case? Watch what I do here because they're right here, these values. Just add up these 4 values you already have. And what do we get there? 100, right? This is $100 already accumulated so far. So you say 100 plus the next job. Okay? And we divide it by the number of values. So in this case, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next job is the 5th value here. So we have 5 values that we're going to divide by. Okay? And then you just basically do algebra here. So you must show this step. You must show this, how you substitute, and then how you break it down. If you're just going to give me x is equal to this, that's trial and error. It's okay in real life. Like if you quickly want to find out, it's like, let's try this. But in this course, you need to show us the work. So cancel the 5s. 5 times 25 is 125. That leaves you with 100 plus x. Okay. Next step would be to subtract 100 from both sides until you're left with x all on its own on the right side. And on the left side, you're left with $25. Okay. He must charge $25 on the next job. Okay? So write that down if you haven't done so already, page 25. Is this doable? 25, he's charged up to $40 before, so 25 is not unreasonable. Let's say you do the math and you get like he must charge $125 on his next job to achieve that goal that he set himself. Then you'd be like, hold it, like that's a lot. You've never ever charged even close to that, right? Sometimes that is, they could ask you like, does the answer make sense? Is it possible? Is it something that you can expect? Right? All right, B. How much must he charge if he also mowed his grandmother's lawn for free? That means he charged how much? 0, right? Which is nice. You should do that, right? Go shovel snow or whatever for your parents, for your grandparents. Show respect, right? $0. He still wants to make an average of $25 per lawn. Okay, so what happens here is you still want that average of 25. In this case, you've already charged 100 for the first 4, then 0 for grandma, right? So what is it that you need to charge on that next job now that grandma got involved in this whole operation? How many values are we talking about? There were 4 that added up to this. 5, 6. So this is 6 jobs, right? 4 jobs plus grandma plus the next. Okay? Sorry, that's a little messy. So that's equal to 6. That's how that 6 came about. So you're kind of wondering how many values am I adding up all together. You clean that up, it's 25. 100 plus 0 is just 100 plus x over 6. And now you do the exact same thing except for 6 is down here. Okay? So times 6, cancel. 150 is equal to 100 plus x. Then we subtract 100 from both sides. And this is 50. Now, to achieve your goal, on the next job, he has to charge $50 to still get that average of $25 per job number. Okay, so a 0 does make a difference, not necessarily in the top here, but it does make a difference on what the denominator is here, which is 6. All right, I'm going to stop here.